Hello, hello. It's a new day. Beautiful day. Warmest day of the season so far. Temperatures are in the high 40s, might even get up to 50 degrees today. So beautiful weather. Don't need to wear gloves today. Don't need to wear a hat. Even my down jacket might be a bit too much. I've been on this creek a couple of times before. It's a beautiful little creek with cutthroat trout, native cutthroats in it. And I've got a few hours, and let's just see what I can get done today. Yeah, I've been at this for 5 minutes. I'm already too hot for my my jacket here. Got one. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Beautiful. Look at that fish. Beautiful little cutthroat. We got one, and that was a nice one. It's a good size for this stream. I'm trying out this new net. I actually found it on the side of the river last week. This is the first time I'm trying it. Don't really like it. I much prefer my other net. This one just puts the fish in a weird position. This kind of triangle shaped net. I don't like it as much. Oh man, just dropped my phone in the water. That is not good. Not good at all. This is not waterproof or water resistant. Isn't this a beautiful little spot? Got one. Yes. Beautiful fish. Beautiful little cutthroat. Got one. Sweet. Beautiful little cutthroat. See this? Looks like the leg of a deer or an elk or something. Little guy. What a tiny little fish. Such a tiny little fish. That might be the smallest fish I've ever caught. Beautiful little fish though. As I was taking pictures with my phone, when it was in my hand, it jumped out, and so I didn't get a good close-up footage of it on the video. Got him. Beautiful little cutthroat. Beautiful little 6-incher.